I'm a real one. Still by me, yeah, you never switched up. Even in all the times I messed up. Yeah, yeah, you were one in a million. And then
What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. What it do? Back again with another video. I just want to come to you guys really quick to talk to you about my giveaway. I have a giveaway going on for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys again for that. I really appreciate that. I'm appreciating all the love that you guys been giving. It's like a little bit of like a little family I'm starting. I can't wait for us to grow. So yeah, the video is under, or the giveaway is under, how to do the 90s inspired flip do, the one I had in the last video. And I do change up my hair a lot. Hopefully you guys can make sure that like who that girl? Still the same girl, just with some long black hair. Doing a tutorial about my eyebrows. They're literally, it's a $7 tutorial. I've been doing this for literally over maybe 5 years. I dip in and I dip out of this process. Like sometimes for a special occasion I'll change it up, or especially if I have different color hair I'll change it up. But this is my go-to. It literally costs $8 and everything else is like what helps build to the $7, but you have to stay tuned. It is a great product that I think a lot of people are asleep on. And also I think it's available in every beauty supply store. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for 1,000. Check out my video for the details on my giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. It comes in different brands, but this is how it looks. It's like an iridescent, like adjustable eyebrow pencil. I get it in dark brown, and I love her. Now, she's in every beauty supply store. It's supposed to be a lip liner or a eyeliner. I use it on my eyebrows. I love her. This one is called Jessica. Jessica's waterproof auto eye and lip liner in the color dark brown. I love her. I don't know what the other ones are called, but it looks just like this. It may not be Jessica. It's just an iridescent, glittery, get your life, adjustable eyebrow pencil. You can tell that my eyebrows are not even waxed. Like, so I'm gonna start off with my spoolie. I got this one from Elf. It's really old, but it's from Elf. It cost me $1. She's trusty. So what you gonna do is push them back like so. Just make sure you into the shape that you like. And then I take my adjustable eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to, you're just gonna draw on your brows. I like to outline them first, like that. And then I'm gonna go into the top one, like that. Now if you want, you can go ahead and then pluck your eyebrows right here. You see, you will pluck or either shave what's under. So then you're gonna go ahead and fill them in just like that. This is it. Okay, so then color her in just like that. She still looks kind of crazy. Now go a little bit further out than what you would normally go. So I'm gonna pull my eyebrow a little bit further than what it's supposed to. I do that for a reason. But you gotta make sure you bring her back in. So you see how that looks so far. Now I'm gonna do the other one. Again, outline them first. Like that. Again, eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, so they don't have to be like perfectly matching, but they should be in the same family. So you just gonna go in like that. I just do like short, quick strokes, imitating hair. Fill her all the way into the tips. You want to go to the front of your eyebrow with the same spoolie, so you still at $2. The same spoolie, and you're going to, I like to just do like a couple of them. So you see how I have it at the bottom, and I'm just going to pull up like it. I like to do more than once, so like it. Same thing with the other one. You just pull up, just like that. Okay, so I just added another $1 to my account. So meaning this brush usually runs for $1 as well. I don't know what the actual brushes are. I've been doing makeup for so long, like I don't go by names, I just go by what they look like. But it's basically like tapered brush. So again, LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use Beautiful Blondes. It costs $3.49 at your local beauty supply store. So all the products is $3.49, $1, $1, $1. So equals about $6.50. With tax, we're gonna round up to $7. This is what I do. So I squeeze it out. The applicator sucks, but the concealer is amazing. So you see that? Just like a very little. And I just tap her. And then, so then I go in to clean up my brows. So I like to start at the bottom. And I just go under like that. And then I tap as I go. That you start off with a little bit of product and then you build, because if you go in with a little bit too much product, you can mess up your eyebrows. So yeah, so I'm gonna get closer and boom, $7. So then clean up the top. Again, under the eyebrow first for me. Like it. Clean her up. And then build as you need. Clean the top. It's hard to film this. Make sure you guys have a good view.